welcome to MaiMoments, and today I'm excited to share with you the secret of how I'm able to have a clear skin, and whenever I have a pimple, what do I do with it, and how to look flawless whenever I put makeup on. So before we're going to put makeup on, this is the secret I'm going to share with you. I'm excited to show it to you because it's actually works. So here we go. I'm using this Lumify, and as you can see, it's an eye drop. This is like a magic eye drop. Whenever you even use for your eyes, it's going to clear your eyes. If it's super red, it's going to clear instantly, which is absolutely amazing. There's another use of this that not a lot of people know, which is you can put it on your pimple. And as you can see right now, I have a zit. Pimple is most likely that you have a whitehead on top, because whenever you have a zit, it's actually stay under your skin. So here we go. I have not put anything in my skin after I wash my face, and I'm gonna share with you what products I use to wash my face for acne. And so I'm going to put a drop right here. By applying this eye drop, just wait like from 30 seconds to 1 minute, and it's definitely going to be like your normal skin, and it's going to take out the redness away. So it's going to target your inner skin versus the outer layer. And if you just apply the foundations on top of it and concealer, yes, you can minimize the chance to see the redness, but eventually it's gonna show. So what this is going to really help from the inside and out. So after you going to apply concealer on top and also foundation, you're less likely to notice that you having a zit or a pimple that is about to explode. So let's get started. We are going to wait just for a moment. Once again, it takes 30 seconds to 1 minute for it to activate. Let me show you my secret to actually have clear acne. I still have acne, but I'm able to minimize it and keep it at a bay. And why I'm having pimple, I'm gonna show you what is my technique to actually not have scar, because I do learn from my mistake when I was in middle school. I popped my pimple. That was the worst thing, and I popped my zit. Don't do that. I'm gonna show you what is the technique of how to actually minimize your pimple and also having a chance that it's gonna start again. I love hot stuff, and I love peppers, red peppers. I mean, I enjoy all those stuff. Habanero, ghost pepper, that is my favorite. So I do get pimple because of that. And I'm going to share with you today what my secret of how I get clear skin. And even when I have pimple, I'm going to keep it at a bay. So the first products I'm going to use is the Acne.org. And this is a great product that I used when I was in middle school. I used it throughout my high school and college. And so here we go. This is Acne.org that you can check it out. The link that I'm gonna list below. I just want to let you know all the products that I'm showing you today is not sponsors, but I just really enjoy it so much, and I just want to share with you whoever have troubling with their skins and they want to minimize their chance of having any kind of pimple. This is a very gentle cleaning. Okay, there's two different things. There's one that is going to strip off your natural source of oil. That's extremely bad for your skin, because those natural oil does help renew your skin and nurturing to where it's going to heal your cells. And so it's really gentle, and also taking away the dirt, taking out the makeup. But whenever you wear like waterproof makeup, I'm gonna share with you what is my secret of how to clean that, because we would just want to make sure at the end of the night your face squeaky clean as if it was glass. And so this product is a must. I'm going to link the information below so you can check it out. The video, they're going to tell you step by step of how you actually take care of your skin. Another thing that I have seen my mom do this, and it's just the worst thing ever. I mean, you learn from your mom, right? And then I'm over here learning since I was little is to get the towel, and whenever I finish washing my face, I'm going to rub that towel left and right, I mean all over the places. You don't do that. If you have a sensitive skin or acne, please never do that. So I'm gonna let me grab a towel for a second, and I'm gonna show you what I would do if my face is all wet after the fact I wash my face. What you're going to do is putting this on your face, and pat it. So it's can able to absorb the moisture into your towel, your face towel, and have a dedicated face towel whenever you are washing your face. Don't use it on your body. That's just nasty. And that is another tips that I have seen and learned throughout my life, and that is very important because you also does not want to have wrinkle. And whenever you use a very hard surface area like this rubbing on your face, you irritating the skin. When you irritate it, it's gonna create more pimple. The next products I want to share with you is the Arctic Secret Healing Clay, and you can buy this from Amazon. I don't think that Walmart sells this, by the way. So what amazing about this product is that whenever you have a pimple, it's actually drying up to where there's creating no oil, which you know that if there's a lot of oil, you have tendency to expand your pimple. And so using this is going to dry that area to where it's going to fast and heal. So either you're going to pop it or, but just don't pop your pimple. If you have zit, I understand, because I do have to pop my pimple at a certain point, not to where at the beginning of the stage. So if you can see right here, I'm not gonna touch it whatsoever because it's so important not to touch your pimple because your hands is dirty, it's have dirt, and if you touch it, it's able to expand to another locations within your face. This is a healing clay, so it's having like green powder like this, and you just add like little water, and then you're going to mix it up, and then you're going to wear it for, if I'm not wrong, like wear it to 5 to 10 minutes and just wash your face. Do this for like 2 to 5 days and your skin will have a tendency to clear itself. It's an absolutely amazing product right here. And if you don't want, for example, if you have really dry face, I understand that. You say, this is gonna make my skin dry. It does. But not to where it's going to be super dry to where you can't handle, like desert crack, you know? Not like that. Like for example, for me instant, if I have a zit right here, I'm just going to place that clay that I have mixed with a little bit water, I'm going to put it right in that spot where I need to target. And I'm just gonna leave it 5 to 10 minutes because I don't have to do all of my face. And I'm just targeting that spot. So that's what I've been doing. And the next product is so important, is that you need a brightening essence. And here we go. This product is natural, which means that is based on plant, not a lot of chemical. So if you have a sensitive skin, I do recommend this product. I bought it from Ulta Beauty, and it's such a great product where you just need a cotton pad right here, and then we are going to place the products on here, and you just going to clean your skin after the fact that you already clean your skin with soap and also putting a clay mask on there, and now you just cleaning any bacteria and also dirt within your pore. So this is a really good product. But the purpose of this product is basically healing the pimple that is darkened. I have that. If you never have that, you are lucky. But I tend to have zit. So what is the side effect of having a zit? Once you pop it, guess what? Once it heals at that period, it's get darkened. Oh my gosh. So what do I do with this? Is that I'm going to treat it while I'm having a pimple. It does not smell good in the beginning, but it's actually smell very refreshing, and you feel a little tingly and refreshing on your skin. So I do recommend this product. Next, I'm using Juice Beauty Blemishes Cleaning Serums. Blemishes, so it's really helpful for blemishes, and those blemishes just don't go away. Even though your pimple has been gone, you've been popping it, and it's trying to heal. So this process is actually going to help the process that is healing going to be faster. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a drop on my hand, rub it around, and then I'm going to apply it on my face. Next, you're going to use a moisturizer. I do recommend this product a lot because it leaves my skin like feel like a baby butt. So when I apply it, the smell is like rosy and it's really soft and just really nice. And if you think that if you're going to put a hydrations or a moisturizer make you more oily, that is totally wrong. If your skin is too dry, your skin naturally will create more oil, and that's not what we want. We just want to make sure that we give it enough hydrations and also moisturizers is going to really help. Yes, I understand that drinking water does help with your acne, but most importantly is that you're going to use the right products that are going to help minimize your chance getting pimple once again. And then whenever you have a pimple, how are you going to take care of that is also another important topic. I already applied moisturizer, so the next product is very important if you want to, minimize your chance of getting wrinkle. If you already have wrinkle, it's kind of hard to target it. You can only prevent it to happening, and you're going to age beautifully if you keep using a sunscreens. And here we go. I really like this product right here because it's like really good for acne. I have tried many sunscreens and it's have tendency to break me out. You know how some sunscreen that is actually very sticky or have a glossy look to it? This one does not, and that's really good. And then it smells like peppermint. It just smells very fresh, and it's also a smell like a tea tree. I really enjoyed this smell after all. And I'm just applying on my face, and then I'm gonna get more and apply it on my neck. Let me share with you another products here to have flawless skin when I'm putting makeup on. So here's it is. I love it so much. You probably have seen a lot of video where I wear this products all the time. It's because I really enjoy it. Absolutely amazing. And that's why you usually see me wear this foundations, especially when I have pimple. This is a great product whenever you're taking picture. I cannot stretch enough. I have amazing experience with this throughout high school when I was in the drill team taking pictures. And I look flawless. And I was kind of confused why. How did that happen? I had such a bad skin during high school, but whenever I'm putting makeup on, I actually look good. And I keep referring to this, and I cannot stretch enough that I enjoy this product so much. Another thing that is also very important is that you need to clean your brushes. I cannot stretch this enough. That is a lot of bacteria in the brushes, and I'm also guilty for this. So that's why I buy myself 4 different pair of brushes set, because I just have to grab it and then go and then just set aside so I can wash it when I'm free. That's the worst thing whenever you have a wet brush. You don't want to do your makeup with that because whenever you pick it up, it's not going to be even. It's going to give you streak line. Absolutely horrible. And so I just want to let you know that I use Morphe brush, and as you can see that I always feature Morphe brush because it's affordable. And I don't want my viewer to buy something that is going to be like a waste of money. If affordable price can do the same thing, we are going to stick with it.
After you already applied the primers and the foundations, here's the next step.
Okay, the next step that I'm going to show it to you is that use a concealer and apply it on top. Wait a second until your foundation dry.
Next, I'm using a Tarte shape tape. This is light neutral. What I'm doing is I'm going to apply on that spot and using my ring fingers and go ahead and blend it in.
And as you can see, that is not going to be such a disturbing redness. Yeah, you can still see a bump. You cannot do anything about it, but it's just going to help you minimize your chance having your pimple shown through.
I'm going to use air sponge loose powder to apply on the pimple spot.
Use a little bit, and I'm going to tap on that spot. What that means is that I'm packing the powder to dry on that spot so it's not gonna shift or move throughout the day. And there we go. That's how you're able to cover your pimple. I have to admit, this product I absolutely love from Clinique, but it's pretty pricey. It's called Take Off the Day Cleaning Balm. So you can see that I've been using a lot. You're just going to scoop it up and then rubbing in that area. And I'm going to show you how this is going to look. If you take this product right here, and you are going to just rub it in, it's going to take off the makeup gently. Look at that. And then you keep rubbing it in until it actually take it off. And the next thing that I would do is that I will rinse with waters, or you can actually get a wipes. And this is from Ulta. And I'm getting it and then wipe away all the excess. And as you can see that it still have a little tendency, that's what I do, is that I'm going to wash my makeup off with this. So for today, that's all I have for you guys. That is my daily routine, and I hope that if you're trying this, it does work for your skin. If it's not, I mean, there's always a different solution. This is what it worked for my skin, and I really hope that it worked for you. This is my secret of how I take care of my skin whenever I have acne. So of me as being a leader, I love to share my experience, share my knowledge, and share my success with you guys. And I hope this is going to work. Comment below if you have used this product and if it did not work or it did work. I really want to know. And comment below of what you want to see next. Don't forget to click the subscribe because it does help my channel to create more amazing contents. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out.